The filament guide system consists of two main parts, the so-called rider and the actual filament guide. The rider is responsible for ensuring that the filament layers are wound as precisely as possible. It guides the filament from one side to the other. The rider consists of two parts. The rider cannot be assembled separately, it must be mounted on the double helix. For the assembly instructions, we have once again detached the double helix from the construction. This is for the sake of clarity. Firstly, let's take a look at this T-piece. It engages in the groove of the double helix. If the double helix gear wheel rotates twice, this T-piece, and therefore the entire rider, is guided horizontally from one side to the other exactly once. We now insert the T-piece into the corresponding hole in the right-hand half of the rider. We retain the orientation of the T-piece so that we can insert the rider together with the T-piece onto the shaft. We have previously prepared the other half of the rider and inserted 2 cubic meters square nuts. These are closed with the 2 printed pins. We take the prepared second part of the rider and join it to part 1. At the same time, insert the 2 plain bearings. They are held in the rider by 2 edges, provided they are centered. Not explicitly shown in the video but important, the 2 halves are now firmly connected with an M3x14 screw. The screw is inserted from the right-hand side. At the end of this step, you can see a section through the assembled rider here.